Hey folks, all right, it's Gary here. So today I want to share about some of the changes we have made recently to our governance model, as some of you might have noticed recently. Here is what's going to happen moving forward. To speed up decision making in our DAO, we have implemented a two-tier model. At the top of the tier are the governors. There's a total of 10 governors in our DAO. And under them are the rest of the contributors. And this is how it works. I've also updated Discord to document how this system works. Let me share my screen. So it is strictly based on meritocracy. Here are the privileges of being a governor. Governor has access to our governors channel, where all important matters about our DAOs are discussed. And they also have the privilege to call for referendum on matters pertaining to critical issues pertaining to a DAO. And they have the privilege to vote on these referendums. Plus, governors have the privilege to vote on something that's very important and close to our hearts, now that we have shifted from the TST token to the TDG token. Governors are able to vote on how much of our USDT in our vault gets released for distribution to TDG token holders, as well as the mode by which USDT tokens are distributed to all of you TGD token holders. Also, the governors have the privilege to vote on whether to trigger our DAO's kill switch. And when that happens, the USDT in our vault are all extracted and automatically distributed proportionately to all TGG token holders. Here is how you can become a governor. To become a governor, you as a community member needs to be the top 10 contributor for 2 consecutive months. And once you are a governor, this is how you retain your status. You need to be at least in the top 20 contributor every month to continue retaining your governor status. However, if a new governor comes in and a new community member qualifies to become a governor, then the lowest performing governor gets automatically displaced. To see who are the top 10 contributors this month and last month, simply click on these 2 links. And if you are you want to see like who are the top 10 governors right now, click on this link. All of this information can be found in our intro channel. So these are the names of the governors in a DAO right now. And this column tells us whether this governor is able to retain his status or not this month. And by the end of this month, if the status is not changed from false to true, then the governor will be removed from our governors. And this is the total amount of TDG contribution by this governors right now. Now, let's talk a little more about the top 10 contributors of this month, as well as the top 10 contributors of last month. If you go to our ledger, there should be 2 tabs. One which actually says the call of top 10 contributors. These are the names, as well as the contributions by these fellow contributors. Same here. Okay, so that's all for now about like housekeeping matters. Tomorrow, I will share a video where we talk through our latest game concept and how it's going to work. So stay tuned.